There is an emergency situation right now. The dogs that were found in a dilapidated house, it's a mom and her puppies, is a situation where we have to get there, get them loaded, turn it around quick and get back. I don't want to risk having, a low fuel situation because of this, but I just don't know if fuel-wise we're going to make it in one shot, and we don't have a lot of time. I mean, are you willing to take the risk?
Let's just get it done.
Number 2 Alpha Romeo, runway 10, turn right heading 180, clear for takeoff, wind 1806.
Right turn 180, clear for takeoff, 2 Alpha Romeo.
So yeah, one of these dogs gave birth to 14 dogs underneath a sink in a dilapidated house.
Abandoned, no electricity.
Yeah, no electricity, no running water. The dog is in such bad shape. As you can see here, it's pretty horrible. Wasn't able to support the puppies. We're here, we're gonna be able to rush these dogs to a vet in Pittsburgh.
Yep.
They actually had to get a surrogate mom involved.
That's incredible.
The mom had 3 babies and was able to nurse half of these other dogs' puppies and really kept them alive. We're here today, as an effort to help a dog that helped another dog.
I mean, today is just a simple mitzvah that you and I get to do. We're lucky enough to be able to do something like this, and we're going to help all these dogs, just like the other mom helped the other mommy dog. I just had to walk away for a minute. It's a tough story.